This is the Off Road Outlaws Enduro Challenge, and it could just be Australia's most challenging off-road race. Competitors need to tackle 25 grueling kilometres of rocks, swamps, creeks, off-camber roads, and even a 40-foot road gap. We have 3 teams made up of 2, one driver and one navigator. While the aim is to do as many laps as possible, it's not all about speed. Teams are going to need to think strategy to endure 6 hours out on the course. And to top it all off, our 3 teams will be competing not just against each other, but against a field of over 50 of Australia's toughest competitors.
Yes! Good drive, Jacko.
Okay, Eads, crazy course. How are you feeling about it?
Yeah, look, it was honestly wild. Like, I am feeling a lot of anxiety, but I mean, we'll get through it. We got through the pre-run, thank God. It wasn't an easy pre-run. We did get stuck for, well, I felt like 2 hours, to be honest. And hopefully those big trucks take up a few of those big rocks, so the track's a little bit easier to get through.
How does it feel riding shotgun with Eads?
Yeah, I was promised Evo before this trip, and I've been thrown in the seat with Eden, and I was a little bit nerve-wracking because I didn't know what these vehicles are capable of. So I kind of wanted to just let her do her thing, but I realised she needed the navvying. So then I was like, you know what, stuff it. I'm just going to be a navvy and do what I need to do. And I just gave her the confidence to ride this out, and it was good. I'm actually a bit shattered I'm not doing it tomorrow, but it was good fun.
Okay, now Rich, have you ever navigated anything like this before?
I did a winch challenge, so similar on the low speed sections, like a lot of rocks, a lot of winching, a lot of me getting out of the car, running through bog holes in my footy studs and like hooking up to trees, but not the high speed stuff. So, a bit different. I guess this event is a blend of the high speed and the rocks, which makes it pretty cool.
So these are our best cars we've ever had, and that look lap, we just punted them into rocks. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of work, but I'm really looking forward to it. We're just going to enjoy the good times now, and then later, deal with it later.
Let's go, Jacko, let's go! That's pretty quick. Pretty quick.
Right one. Good drive. Yep. Corner coming up here somewhere where there's three on the outside. Fuck ya! Dangerous. Dangerous, 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 dangerous! Oh fuck! Okay.
Chop chop, baby.
Oh, we're stopped. Left wheel. Straight. You're good, you're about to drop off. It's gonna feel shit, but you're alright. Alright, left, left. Alright. Okay. Dude, that's hectic. Right, 3. Yes! Good drive, Jacko. Good drive. No, I got a flat. That's not good. Not good.
Hello, editing team. Yeah, we're mid-race at the moment, and I'm just here to inform you that we're fucked. For the viewers out there, that's not supposed to look like that. What do you reckon, Jacko?
Yeah, it's doing, man. It was going awesome. We were running with the pack. Yeah, just obviously the right hit. The drive plan's broke, so I've got a spare one on the car. We'll see if we can get it fitted and kick on. Oh, back in the office.
We nearly ran out of fuel. It was surging up the last hill. We're at the real steep hill and starting to stall. Like, we're not going to make it.
We were like, I'm pretty sure I needed to come in for fuel earlier.
Do you know if we've done 4 or 5 laps?
I think 4.
Okay, cool. So maybe 3's the number.
We lost a wheel, but apart from that, we're really competitive. We've got a quick car, we've got a quick driver.
Alright, it's Nathan reporting from the pit lane. We're about 4.5 hours in. We just had Jacko and Tank pit, or just come in for some look over. Tank is doing good. He's just getting refilled. His camelback section was falling off, so the boys put new bolts in that, redid that all back up, and they're all good to go. Tank's just pumping through the fuel. Jacko came in with a completely loose steering wheel. It was falling off. His rear brake caliper's been ripped off. The rear wheel bearing, I think, was ripped off as well. So there's no caliper anymore, that's gone. His brakes were a bit soft, so they quickly bled the brakes, didn't change anything. But the boys are still going. They're still going strong. Tank's car is no issues so far, besides that rear humpback thing falling off. But yeah, the boys are pushing through. I can see how tired they are. But 4.5 hours, what's left? Hour and a half. Yeah. Hour and a half left, we'll just keep going.
Did we just stall?
Yep.
What the hell? That means we're stuck.
Why?
This is what happened last time with the pod. And now I can't get it out. I won't be able to turn it on. Okay, guys, give us a neutral. Hold on.
Oh no.
We're actually out later. We'll have to wait for Jack and Tank to come around.
Get a hammer and tap the fucking primary. You take the belt off first. Take the belt off and then get something like even the back of the rattle gun and hit it. You've got a rattle gun. Hit it with the rattle gun. Good drive.
I got no brakes. I got no brakes. Bumping, brakes.
Hello again. It's approximately 4 o'clock. The Enduro finishes at 4:30 and we're hoping to get another couple of laps in, but doesn't look like it'll be happening. And here's why. We have one stuck Pro R, and like when I say stuck, I mean stuck. Like this thing is really in there deeply. It's pretty, like we've tried everything, to be fair. We tried winching off that tree over there, didn't work. We tried winching off that stump, didn't work. The back end of this vehicle is just sucked down into the mud. The plan is at this point to just get recovered, I think, and have a beer.
So here we are, we're at the end of what would have been our lap 9. With the way we're tracking, I think we would have got 10 laps in. Unfortunately, we blew a belt. I'm going to say it's probably my fault. There was a couple of times I smoked the belt pretty hard. I was in high gear and I maybe should have went into low and smoked the belt. And then Trev was sort of saying on that last lap, like, I can smell the belt, I can smell the belt. And so could I, but nothing we could do about it, realistically. So we got into where we are now and the car's still there. And it's super boggy at the bottom. And I got through that, basically it was limiter on the way up and the belt just popped. So it was game over from there.
Yeah, pretty disappointed. I'm super gutted for Tank. It's a long day in the car, it's super rough. But it's pretty sick to be racing for 6 hours non-stop, so pretty pumped about that. Body's not, but I'll deal with that tomorrow.
Wicked. And like, how do you reckon you guys are still going to place compared to Jacko and Eden? Obviously.
And
Yeah.
I reckon we'll
beat Jacko.
I reckon we'll beat Jacko.
Well, that brings us to the end of the day. That's 6 hours up. Absolutely insane day today. All of the carnage that has been had out there, I'm surprised there is more than one car standing. Insane. Everyone's had a great day. The event has been spectacular. But at the end of the day, there can only be one winner. Let's check out the results. Right, okay. It's time to announce the winner of the 6 hour Enduro. And our champion with 9 laps is Tank.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it. I do have to give Jacko a big call out because I wouldn't have done those 9 laps if he didn't save me. So I think we can share this.
We can share it.
Oh,
Wait,
we'll
be able to snap it, right?
We'll be able to cut it now.
Yeah.
It'd be sick. And Eden, better luck next time.
Thanks for trying.